Have you ever wanted perfect nails without the time-consuming salon visit or the long drying times of regular polish? Let's talk about Kiss Gel Fantasy Press-On Nails in pure love. These nails promise an instant, flawless manicure with minimal effort. We're talking about a product designed for anyone looking for convenience, style, and a polished look in just minutes. The Kiss Gel Fantasy nails come in a light pink shade, perfect for anyone who loves a soft, feminine touch. The short almond shape adds a modern, sleek feel, while the set includes 28 nails, a mini nail file, a manicure stick, and 2G of nail glue. This is a complete at-home manicure kit that's ready to go right out of the box. These press-on nails boast some pretty impressive claims. No damage to natural nails, easy to apply, waterproof, chip-proof, and smudge-proof. Plus, there's no drying time needed, which is always a win. The gel finish also gives a high-gloss look that mimics professional salon nails, which is especially important if you're someone who craves that just-done look, but doesn't have the time or budget for regular salon visits. Now, let's talk about the real-world use. I found the nails to be incredibly easy to apply. Just clean and prep your natural nails, apply the included nail glue, and press on the nails. It took me less than 10 minutes to get a full set done. The instructions are straightforward, and honestly, it's as easy as it sounds. The glue is strong and holds the nails in place, but removing them was equally as easy. You don't have to worry about damaging your natural nails, which is a concern with many DIY press-on options. On the flip side, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the application process is simple, the nails might not fit perfectly for every finger shape. The sizing is fairly standard, but if you have very small or large nails, you might need to adjust. I also noticed that the glue could be a bit tricky if you're trying to reuse the nails. Once the glue is applied, it's pretty much a one-time deal. However, that's a minor issue, considering the ease and speed of getting a full manicure without the extra mess. In terms of longevity, these nails lived up to their claim of lasting up to a week. I wore mine through daily activities, washing dishes, typing on a keyboard, even a bit of cleaning, and they stayed on strong. No chips or cracks, which was impressive for a press-on product. The only caveat I would note is that the wear and tear over the week can make the edges look a little less fresh, but overall, they still looked great until the removal. When it comes to value for money, Kiss Gel Fantasy nails are a solid investment if you're looking for a quick, easy, and stylish at-home manicure. At a fraction of the price of a salon visit, these nails offer convenience and quality. Plus, they last long enough to justify the cost. They're perfect for anyone who loves the look of a professional manicure, but doesn't want to spend the time or money on regular salon appointments. If you're in the market for something more durable or custom-fitted, there are higher-end options out there. But for what Kiss Gel Fantasy offers at the price point, it's tough to beat. They deliver on their promise of convenience, style, and long-lasting wear. It's a great product for beauty lovers who want a salon-quality manicure at home. So who is this product perfect for? If you're someone who loves quick and easy beauty solutions without compromising on style, these press-on nails are definitely worth checking out. They're perfect for those of us who are always on the go but still want to look put together. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.